Hey there, welcome back to ReviewRoom. Not every playlist is meant to be public, so let's quickly see how to share a password-protected review link in ReviewRoom. Once you are in the platform, select the project and playlist that you want to share. From here, click the Share button. Now enable password protection. Then share the link along with the password with your reviewer. For additional protection, you can also share the playlist with selected users. Just enter the email address of your reviewer you want to share with and click Send Invites. That's it. Only the intended person will be able to access your media. So now you can share your demo reels while keeping your media secure. Share your work securely with ReviewRoom. Visit ReviewRoom.studio and sign up for our free plan. Bye-bye.